Did you know that the ion exchange resin is vital to the performance and longevity of your water softener? And did you know that over time, water softener resin can become fouled with iron and other contaminants, weakening your water softener and possibly ruining it? Fortunately, the experts at Summit Brands have come up with the OutFilterMate Heavy-Duty Softener Cleaner System. The system automatically dispenses just the right amount of FilterMate, a powerful cleaner, into your water softener's brine tank. FilterMate restores and maintains the ion exchange resin, keeping your softener operating at peak efficiency. The system installs easily onto your brine tank. Simply drill two 1/4-inch holes into the side of your brine tank and attach the wire hanger. Next, drill a 1/2-inch hole in both the side of the brine tank and the top of the brine well. Assemble the feeder by inserting one end of the wick into the 2-quart bottle of FilterMate and feed the other end into the brine well through the pre-drilled holes. Now simply hang the bottle onto the wire hanger. The FilterMate system automatically removes iron, silt organics, and manganese, reducing softener regeneration as well as salt and water costs. You'll enjoy improved water taste and less rust and scale buildup. Your softener will perform for years to come. Get it, set it, and forget it with the OutFilterMate system from Summit Brands. One bottle lasts up to 2 months.